Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create encrypted database from an encrypted uh, database snapshot. Okay. So what I will do first, I will create one RDS instance using unencrypted block storage device. Okay. So click on search RDS. Click on RDS. Okay. After this, go to the click on this create, not here. Yeah, you can create. Click on create database. Now here I'm going to select uh, MySQL. Okay. After that, I will select the default version only, and here I'm going to select free tier option. Now here I'm going to give the password for my database. Okay. Password, I gave the password. This will be default only. Yeah, here just uh, don't change the default settings. Okay. Now you have to click on public as per your requirement. You This is in private mode right now, but you can make public also by click on this yes option. So I am going to click on yes. Here VPC is default. Okay, now here I have to select the AZ. Now I will select the 2A. Okay, make this default only. Okay, don't change anything. Now click on create database. I think it is okay. Invalid password. Okay, I have to give okay, password should not have at the rate. Okay. Okay, click on create database. And now I think it is creating our database. Okay, okay. Now I think this is unencrypted. Okay, wait, I'll show you. Click on here, go to the main. Wait, okay. Encryption not, so see here you can see that encryption is not enabled. So uh, we'll wait for some time for this database to create. Okay. It is in creating state only. uh, you can skip the video. Okay. Here you can see that we can have 40 databases in the single easy. Like here you can see that you are using the following RDS resource in the US1 regions. Okay, so in the single region you can create up to 40 databases. Oh, that's great. You can also have 40 reserved instances. You can have 50 secure subnet groups in this single easy. Okay. Okay, you can also restore database from S3 also. Okay, I think you have to make schema before that. See, in RDS, we can have like we can choose six types of databases. Like we have uh, Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, second one is Aurora. Third one is MySQL. Fourth one is Postgres DB. Fifth one is Oracle, and sixth one is MariaDB. Okay, actually, DB2 is not supported by AWS, but if you want to work in DB2 databases, then you should try IBM because IBM provide the DB2 database services. Yeah, so you can use DB2 also as warehouses. Mm. Uh, what I found on these two clouds like IBM clouds and AWS cloud, uh, like in AWS they have their own routing like DNS services, but in case of IBM they have tie up with Cloudflare. So these are the things, but the UI of IBM is very good actually if you compare with this AWS. Now it is taking the backup. Okay, I don't know how much time it will take. Now I'm planning. Actually, I did my AWS Solution Architect Associate certification on 30. Now I also cleared that exam. Now I'm planning to give uh, IBM Solution Architect exam actually. So I'm preparing for that. That's why I was telling you about the comparison between these two uh, cloud services. If you want to give your solution architect exam, so associate exam, so you can refer Stephen Mark courses, which is available in Udemy, and there is one more instructor. His name is Neil Davis, so he is also a good instructor. But uh, I did the courses of Stephen Mark, and the courses was very good actually. So I can suggest to you like you can do Stephen Mark course. Out of 1,000, I got actually 823 marks. So I think that is good. Okay. And I think I took 1 year for that exam actually. What I did first, um, I, uh, what I did labs actually first. Then I did the course, different courses. Then after that, I gave some practice paper. Then finally, I gave my AWS exam and I cleared it. It is taking too much time. Actually, we selected the free tier service, and that's why the compute power is very slow. That's why, and RAM is also very low. That's why it is taking too much time to backing or for processing or processing. As I told you that this is encrypted database. Okay, so what database do? It store the data in block storage. No? So for that we use EBS volume, but here EBS volume is unencrypted. That's why our database data is also unencrypted. So for for enabling encryption, we have to make a snapshot of this EBS volume. Then we have to copy it in our easy availability zone. While copying it, you will get a snap encryption setting. So you have to enable there. Then after creating a copy of the snapshot, you can create a new database from that copied snapshot. So this is the process. Wait, I'll tell you, but it is taking too much time. Now it is available. Okay, here you can see the status is available. Now what I will do, just go here, click here, uh, go to the configuration setting, just find out the block storage ID. You can also go, but you can also come here also, like snapshot. You can take a snapshot from here. You have to select the date. But one more thing you can do. No, but okay, we will follow this step only. Snapshot encrypted snapshot. Okay. Take snapshot of, okay, must contain only data. Okay, remove this hyphen. Snapshot. Now go to the no, EC2. Go to the snapshot option. We can see from here only. It is in creating stage. For MySQL, port number is 3306. So you should know this port number. I think yesterday I gave my Hitachi interview for AWS position. Only in that they asked me about the port number. 32%. What you can do, you can connect your WordPress web server with this RDS instance also, like what we did in the application load balancer video. We installed WordPress and the MySQL in the same server, but that is not a good practice actually. Your database should be in private instance, so that's why I am telling you this. Completed. Okay. Okay, now click on here, click on action. Oh, now we are actually copy option is hidden. We have to wait for some more time actually. It is in still creating state. That's why. Now available. Okay, now we it has see. Here you have to click on copy snapshot. Okay, so while copying it, you have to choose the region. Okay, you can okay, so while copying the snapshot, you can copy that snapshot in any region. Actually, you have these kind of regions options in region section. Okay, here I will give the name as encrypted snapshot. Snapshot. Okay, target group. No, here see, here is the encryption option, so you have to enable this one. Okay, now click on copy snapshot. Again it will take time, but actually while creating a snapshot of EC2 instance, you cannot copy, oh sorry, not copy, you cannot create that snapshot in the different availability zone. Like suppose you have created your EC2 instance in US AZ1. So if you want to create a snapshot of your EBS volume, so you cannot create a snapshot in the different AZ actually. This EBS is AZ bounded thing. So these are the basics thing you should know. It is 1%. So if you create the snapshot of RDS volume, so you can find those snapshots in Amazon RDS section only. You cannot find any EC2 snapshot. Okay, I thought we can find it in EC2 snapshot section also, but I was wrong. Now our snapshot is created. As you can see, this notification pop up. Okay, yeah, it is available. Now I'm going to click on this encrypted snapshot, and here I'm going to do action. Now I will click on restore snapshot. Okay, here I'm creating a new encrypted RDS database. Okay, here I will give the date name as database 2 encrypted. Okay, don't change the default option. Okay, select easy as 2A only and click on restore db to instance. So it is now deploying our encrypted RDS and the same easy. Here you can see when you click on this, and when you go to the configuration section, here you can see enable. Our encryption is enabled. So this is the only way to create a create an encrypted database using the unencrypted EBS database volume. Okay, so if you find any issues or if you find any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, okay, bye bye.